have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to buy games from the Nintendo eShop. So this is very simple. Simply go to the eShop. You can see the Nintendo eShop. Just open that, and then make sure you sign in with your user profile, which should be linked to your Nintendo account. So once you get in here, you can start looking for the game you want to buy. Now, before you can buy a game, you must have set up a payment method. So you can set up a payment method either through debit or credit card, or you can set up PayPal depending on what region you're in. So tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. That takes you to your account information page, and you have a section here for credit card information. And you can see I've already added my credit card. I have a full extensive video on how to add a credit card to your Nintendo Switch. So if you intend to use a credit card to buy, then you need to add that information. Also, you have the option for PayPal. Depending on where you are in the world, you can link your PayPal account and use that and use your PayPal balance to buy games. So I have separate videos for how to set up a debit or credit card, and also how to set up PayPal to your Nintendo Switch. So I'll link those down below. You can check them out. So I'll just go back to the game selection page. Once you've set up your payment method, it's very simple. Just go to the search function at the top here and find the game you want to install. So for instance, I want to go for Mario Kart 8. So just type in the name and search for that game. Now from the results, just make sure you get the correct game. So here's mine, the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Here's a page for this particular game. So you can actually see screenshots of the game. You can scroll down and read the description of that game, and scroll even further and see some more information about that particular game. All right. On the right is going to be the price of that particular game. And if you want to proceed to buy, just tap on proceed to purchase. Now it's going to ask for your zip or postal code. So enter that. Then you might be asked also to select your specific location. This is for issues of tax. So select your specific location, tap OK, and then tap on save. Now once your information is registered, it should give you the next step. Now the next step is to choose whether you want to use your credit card to pay. Now the credit card, I've already added it like I mentioned. And also you have the option to choose your Nintendo eShop balance or card, or you can use PayPal. Now I prefer to use PayPal personally. If you want to use credit card, you can choose that, and most people will use credit card. So for me, I'll just choose PayPal, and then it's going to ask you whether you want to add this amount of funds or just required amount only. I'll select required amount only because that's the only amount I want deducted from my balance. Then it's going to ask for a password for your Nintendo account. We can skip the password and tap on enter. And of course, to skip next time, you have to enter the password today. So let's just go ahead and enter that password for your Nintendo account. And then on this next page, just tap on add funds and purchase. And once the purchase goes through, it's going to tell you thank you, and you can now either continue shopping for other things or close. Once you close, you'll notice the game you just purchased is going to start downloading automatically. So it's currently downloading, so let's just wait for it to finish the download and then we can access it. That is basically how to buy games on your Nintendo Switch. Now make sure you check out how to add a credit card and also how to link PayPal. In the videos I'll link down below, so you can just so it's the information is complete. Thanks for watching and good luck.